The FDA is addressing the monkeypox vaccine shortage with a new strategy to stretch limited supplies. The agency says it will now allow medical professionals to vaccinate up to 5 people with each vial instead of just 1. That could significantly increase available doses. ABC's Steve Osunsami has the latest on how.
The U.S. government is trying to stretch 1 dose of the monkeypox vaccine into 5 separate adult doses by changing the way the shot is put into arms. Instead of pushing the vaccine into deeper tissue, the new injections will use a thinner needle that puts the drug right under the surface of the skin. It'll look very similar to common skin tests for allergies. Health officials say that this will also give them enough vaccine supply to start vaccinating at-risk children who are under 18 years old. But the children would get the regular shot with a regular-sized dose.
It safely accelerates and multiplies our supply of effective vaccines by up to 5-fold.
Health officials point to a study that shows that the smaller shot is still safe and effective.
Those who are at high risk should be assured that now there are more doses.
There are now nearly 9,500 reported cases of monkeypox here in the U.S. While most of the cases so far have been men who have sex with men, health officials expect the disease to spread through other groups. People who've gotten sick tell stories of terrible pain.
Wouldn't wish this on anybody.
The lesions that were on my hands, they really, really hurt.
Steve Osunsami, thank you. And I want to bring in ABC News medical contributor and physician at Stanford Children's Health, Dr. Alok Patel, for more. Dr. Patel, if this smaller dose is just as safe and effective, why didn't we start this sooner? And why are children still supposed to get the regular dosage?
Diane, I wish I had a really succinct answer for you, but what it seems like is that the U.S. government and the FDA has gone back to a previous clinical trial from about 2015 because of a sense of urgency, because of realizing that the demand for the vaccine, the need for the vaccine, is basically going far away from what the current supply is. So I think that's what's kind of happened right now. But I will welcome this as a way to quickly boost our supply for those who need it. And to go to your second question regarding children, there is a paucity of data. We don't have as much data in children regarding the intradermal vaccine. And also, let's be real, you and I have young kids. It's a lot harder to give those kids an intradermal vaccine than it is a subcutaneous one.
Understood. And walk us through this new way of injecting vaccines. Clearly a little bit more difficult. You need the patient to sit still. But what more can you tell us in terms of the science here and the questions about efficacy?
Well, simply put, Diane, if you think about a subcutaneous vaccine, the needle is going in at about 45 degrees below the skin. Intradermal, you're going a lot shallower, about 10 to 15 degrees. Now, what the previous clinical trial, what the science suggests is that there are immune cells in that layer of your skin that will still recognize the vaccine and create antibodies, generating a similar immune response to 1/5 the dose. That is what the science says, and that's what the educated backing is behind this new method.
All right, Dr. Patel, we appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.